officials across the federal government reported owning stocks that could rise or fall with decisions made by their own agencies. According to the Journal,
of her new daily news show, Unbossed, premiering on October 17th, 1
This
p.m.
is
on the
thousands of Feds reportedly trade stocks and companies or agencies overseas.
It's good to have you. So, Senator Turner, tell us a little bit more about what's going on here. We've obviously covered some of the back and forth over this new law that Democrats are trying maybe to pass that would ban this kind of behavior. Nancy Pelosi has been on the record of being somewhat ambivalent about precluding people from doing exactly this kind of thing. Give us some background about what's going on here.
You're being kind about her being ambivalent. I mean, she just doesn't want the law to pass. If she did, she would be working harder to do it. The Wall Street Journal has done an excellent job uncovering that this goes beyond just members of Congress. It is members of the executive branch of government who are positioning themselves financially off of the taxpayers' dime.
Now, this is called thousands of Feds reportedly trade stock and companies at their agency overseas. This is a conflict of interest, people. These are crimes. This is what you call, you can't trust anybody in government any longer. Now every time we have crimes, we need a law. Okay, we need the kind of a law that's retroactive. Well, you know, of course the Constitution says you can't do that. You know, you cannot, Article 1, Section 9, you know, no bill of attainder or ex post facto law shall be passed. Ex post facto law is something that you pass after the fact and you lump everybody into it. And that's, we just have to pattern this law after the domestic violence law of, 94, 96, 97. Whereas if you were only charged with a misdemeanor because of having domestic problems at home, they turned that into a felony. And you can't do that. That's against the law. You can't go all the way back to the Adam and Eve and lump everybody into it. And that's just what we need. We need this kind of a law. We've got to put these people that we cannot trust in the same kind of peril that they put American people into. You're taxpayers. You pay for this. And they're making money off of it. Look at anybody that's in Congress or the executive branch or whatever, if you're part of the federal government, you can be sued. I don't care who you are. So apparently they're not going to police themselves, so we'll have to police them for them. Our new Congress needs to pass a law patterned after the domestic violence law. It goes all the way back to Adam and Eve, and anybody that whether it's them personally or they're a member of their family, you know, their spouse, if they've made money off of this, they need to lose all their federal benefits that the taxpayers are paying for. That includes their pensions and any other kind of money that they would have coming to them, including medical. They must be deprived of all this stuff because they can't be trusted. Just like they say they supposedly can't trust these people who had domestic violence in their past. They say, well, we can't trust you to have a gun. Well, we can't trust them to have our money. They cannot be making money off of the taxpayers' back. It's time to pass a law. Well, I'm telling you what, it'll wisen those people up instantly, won't it? Damn straight it will. So, you think about what I said. The new Congress needs to be informed that we can no longer have this insider trading from members of Congress or from the executive branch or anybody in government. It's stealing. You can't be trusted. And when you can't be trusted, you shouldn't be in power. So Nancy Pelosi, I hope you like the domestic violence law. You patterned after the domestic violence law, sitting in the back corner of your mind going, oh, they're coming after me. They're going to steal my money. It's my goodbye pension. Well, you can't be trusted, can you? You guys go to vote on something. Everybody knows what's going on. Everybody invests money into what's going to happen. Bingo. Now the shoe's going to be on the other foot. Anyway, guys, I'll put a link to this lady. And thanks for watching. We do need that law.